Creating high-quality video ads usually takes a full team, expensive equipment, multiple tools, and sometimes weeks of production. But Higgsfield Marketing Studio is changing that completely. It's the world's first end-to-end AI ad production workflow powered by Seedance 2, designed to take you from a raw product image to a finished commercial in a single session. And one of the newest features is honestly one of the most important parts of advertising: hooks. Because the first few seconds of a video decide everything. Either people keep watching or they scroll away. Now, instead of writing hooks yourself or hiring a copywriter, Marketing Studio can generate multiple hook ideas for you automatically based on your product and the type of ad you want to create. You simply upload your product image or paste your product link, choose your ad format, and Higgsfield handles the rest. Then, from that same workflow, you can generate the full ad without switching between tools. Let's get in it now. So right here is where the whole workflow happens. If you scroll down, you can see all the different generation formats available, like hypermotion, unboxing, UGC, and a lot more. And honestly, all of them look really solid. Now let's actually put this to work. Make sure that product is selected. Right here is where you add your product and your avatar. You can paste the image link if you're using something online, but since I already have my image ready, I'll click Create Manually and select the product image I want to use. Sometimes Higgsfield Marketing Studio automatically reads the image and generates the product name and description for you, but in my case it's not showing, so I'll type it manually. I'll name my product Bluetooth speaker, and in the description I'll type something like a cute Bluetooth speaker. Then click Create Product and select it. Now let me make a few quick settings. There are several aspect ratios available, but I prefer 16:9. For the quality, I'll choose 720p. The duration goes all the way up to 15 seconds, but I'll use 12 seconds for this demo. In the prompt box, I'll paste a short prompt that says, create a $5,000 commercial for this product. Then I'll hit generate and give it a few minutes to process the result. Now let's see what we got.
Okay, this little Bluetooth speaker is ridiculously cute, but it's loud. Super easy to connect. Buttons are right here, and it makes any room feel fun.
Okay, that genuinely looks like something filmed with a real camera setup. The lighting, motion, and product framing are seriously impressive. And all of that came from a single uploaded image and a one-line prompt. Now let's try the UGC format, because this is where things get even more interesting. For UGC videos to feel convincing, you need a realistic looking creator or influencer that actually fits the style of the content. So I'm going to open Higgsfield AI in another tab and generate one using the Nano Banana image model built directly into Higgsfield. I'll paste in my prompt, which says, photorealistic portrait of a young woman in her mid-20s, natural makeup, wearing a casual white fitted t-shirt, standing in a bright modern apartment, soft natural window light, shot on iPhone Energy, looking directly at camera, no background clutter, ultra detailed skin texture. As you can see, I'm using the Nano Banana 2 model, and for the aspect ratio, I'll leave it at 3:4, increase the quality to 4K, then click generate and wait a few seconds for the result. I actually created all the images you're seeing here in my previous video where I showed how to connect Claude AI to Higgsfield and generate a complete workflow from image to video. The link to that video is in the description if you want to check it out. That came out looking super realistic. Now let's download it and bring it into Marketing Studio. Now let me upload it. Click on Avatar to upload your image. There are already several sample avatars here you can use, but I prefer using the one I just created. So I'll click Create Avatar, upload the image, give it any name you want. I'll name mine Lady, then click Create Avatar. And now it appears in the avatar list, meaning I can reuse it anytime in future projects. So I'll select it to continue. I'll use the same product image from earlier. For the settings, I'll keep the aspect ratio at 9:16 and increase the duration to 15 seconds. One really cool feature inside Marketing Studio is the built-in hook generator. It automatically creates catchy opening lines designed to grab attention and improve retention, and you can choose the one that fits your style best. You can even leave the prompt box empty if you don't know what to type, and Higgsfield will still generate the ad for you automatically. But in my case, I'll paste a UGC prompt I had Claude generate for me. It says, a UGC style video of a young woman holding up a sleek Bluetooth speaker, speaking directly to camera in a casual, excited tone. Then I hit generate.
So, this thing goes everywhere with you. I've had it at the beach, on a hike, in my bathroom, and the sound is genuinely way bigger than it looks, like embarrassingly loud for something this small. Waterproof, that little handle clips to a bag, a belt loop, whatever, and the battery actually lasts. I'm keeping it. Links down there.
That is honestly insane. It genuinely looks like a real creator filmed that video. The face consistency, the movement, even the way she holds the product feels natural. This is exactly the kind of content that performs well on TikTok and Instagram right now, and you didn't need to hire anyone to make it. But that's not even the only workflow inside this tool. I'll scroll down through the available templates and choose one called Unboxing. For this demo, I won't change the avatar that already comes with the template, but I will remove the product and replace it with my own. You can see the template already includes its own prompt, so I'll leave everything exactly as it is and test the result with my product. The only thing I'll change is the aspect ratio to 16:9. Then I'll hit create and wait for the result. Let's see how it came out.
Okay. Wow. This is actually beautiful. It feels really refined, like nothing extra, just clean, perfect details.
This actually turned out really well. Even though I only uploaded my product image, Higgsfield Marketing Studio handled the scene composition, motion, and presentation automatically. Now let's test another feature. Back on the main page of Marketing Studio, instead of selecting product like before, this time I'm going to switch over to app. In the view settings, you can choose between desktop view or mobile view. I personally prefer desktop view for this demo. Now click on app, paste the URL of the website or app you want to use, and send it. For this demo, I'll use my YouTube channel link and give it a moment to fully analyze the page. And as you can see, it generated 2 layout variations automatically. I'll stick with the desktop version. If you want to use a custom avatar, just click on avatar and upload any image you want. You can also type a specific prompt describing the type of ad you want, but in my case, I'll leave it empty for now. Then I'll click on UGC to choose the ad style. Right now, there's only one available option, so I'll use that and hit generate. While that's generating, let me show you another feature. Click on add reference on the side panel. So if you already have an ad video you want to recreate or take inspiration from, you can simply upload that video here. You can also upload your product, image, and avatar, and Higgsfield will generate a similar style ad based on that reference. Now the result is ready, so let's see how it came out.
If your desk looks like this, stop guessing. I just pull up YouTube and watch Tech Tutor, tiny, clear fixes with zero fluff. I've saved hours and like 3 chargers. Go subscribe and thank me later. If your desk looks like
That honestly looks surprisingly polished. The website integration, avatar movement, and overall presentation feel like something created by an actual marketing team. The fact that this was generated automatically is kind of crazy. Higgsfield Marketing Studio is starting to feel less like a simple AI tool and more like a full ad production system. Whether you're a content creator, freelancer, brand owner, or someone trying to create better ads without hiring a full team, this workflow can save a huge amount of time and money. And the fact that you can go from a single product, image, or website link to a finished commercial in minutes is honestly wild. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe because I've got more AI workflow videos coming soon. I'll see you in the next one.
Guys, check this out. I can literally generate any video of myself now. Like any video. Want to see me skydiving? Well, this video you're watching right now, it's all generated. Thank you, Eagle.